The buyout of Smithfield Foods may have an issue from one of the stockholders of the company. The Global Times is reporting that Starboard Value is an activist investor, and they have apparently taken a 5.7% share in Smithfield to become the largest single investor. So now they must be heard by the board of Smithfield. According to Starboard Value's own website, they specialize in small capitalization funds, especially those that are deeply undervalued. Smithfield Foods released their annual report on the 14th with the statement that they have earned the second best year in the company's history in their pork segment.
Starboard Value is now saying that Smithfield will be more valuable if individual sections of the company were sold off rather than a $4.7 billion takeover by Shuanghui International Holdings. The Chinese company has put out the offer at $34 per share, but now we hear that Starboard claims that the divided Smithfield company would be worth between $44 and $55 per share if the company was sold by division. The proposed divisions are U.S. pork production, hog farming, and international sales of fresh and packaged meats. For the full year, packaged meats operating profit increased nearly $70 million, or 17% year over year, and the volume was up 4%. The closing of the $7.1 billion transaction with Shuanghui is subject to certain conditions, including, among others, approval by Smithfield shareholders, the receipt of approval under applicable U.S. and specified foreign antitrust and anti-competition laws, the Committee on Foreign Investment in the United States, and other customary closing conditions. The transaction is expected to close in the second half of 2013.
In spite of the analysis of Starboard, the boards of both Smithfield and Shuanghui have unanimously approved the buyout. The takeover would include all of Smithfield's debt and would buy the hog farming section that has increasing overhead that reduced the margins to less than 2%. And for the year, live hog prices fell 6%, while the per head operating cost rose $3 per head.